Hey you guys, today I'll be making gel slime. As you see, I'll be using Salty Extra Whole Protein Solid Gel, no flake and no alcohol. I'm just trying to see if this will slime. So I'm just trying to see if this will slime. So I'll just take one thing of this and I'll start mixing. As you can see, it is thick, but it's not slime yet. So I'll just add a little bit of dial foaming soap, and I'll just let that sit for a little bit. Sorry about that, my cousin tripped over a dog. And so now I'll just start mixing. As you can see, it looks like it's forming. So I'll just add a little bit of more styling gel. Now just start mixing. And add some more of this dial foaming soap. And I'll still let it sit, and I'll show you how it looks still. This is how it looks. So now I'm gonna start mixing. And well, sorry to say, but it did not slime. But let's see if I can save it. Add one thing of this. Now you start mixing. Nope, total failure, but it does clean up for you. If you guys are lazy, I said if. And bye. Thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below if you guys think that I should make better videos, because this is total mess. My hands are sloppy. And so yeah, bye.